This is the URPOWER handheld garment steamer. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual. Here's the steamer itself. They give you a brush attachment. It's got sort of a velvety thing there and some bristles on it, as you see, as well as a measuring cup for the water. Let me tell you a bit about this first, and then of course we'll test it out. It's 1500 watts and has a stainless steel plate. You can use it with or without the attachment as such. This will heat up in only about 15 seconds. It has 18-minute continuous steaming. So if you fill the tank to the maximum, it'll steam continuously for up to 18 minutes, at which point you just add more water and you can keep going. It has an automatic power off if you haven't used it for a while, but it's still plugged in. It'll shut off after a while. Water tank is 10 ounces on it. It's suitable for many different kinds of fabric out there and has a leak-free design and an 8-foot power cord. Over here is the water tank. That pulls out just like that. Still stands up, which is nice. And there's a little plug here. So now you fill up the cup here to there, and that you then pour in to that hole, and that should bring it up to the maximum line. Once you have water in there, you just slide it in till it clicks. On the back is a button you press to power it on, and that light is now flashing, and it's heating the water. They say 15 seconds. This could be anywhere from 10 seconds to maybe 30. All depends on the temperature of the water that you put in to start. Hey, not bad. That was pretty much ready. Right on time. And now there's a button here. There you go. That's steaming well. So you press the button once and it turns on to steam, and then let go. And when you're done, you press and release the button again and it will stop. So this shirt has some light wrinkles in it. Let's go ahead and steam it. And you can steam those wrinkles right out. Already we're seeing quite an improvement. And there you go, just to give you the idea. So that worked real well, and in just a few seconds like that, we've relaxed many of the wrinkles that were in there. As far as the fabric goes, virtually dry. Almost nothing there. By the time you have it put on and you're out the door, you won't even feel it. So once again, this is the URPOWER handheld garment steamer. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find this item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.